In front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on App Lock available under Special Features. If you don't have a privacy password, it's time to set it up. This password will protect your apps, so hit Settings in the pop-up. Tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those login methods for your app lock. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Let's go with pattern. Enter your new login method for your apps and repeat it to confirm it. Then set up recovery email here just in case you will ever forget your app lock and tap on confirm. Following that, you need to click on question and answer this one, or tap on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of those questions, don't worry, just click again, and what most people miss is that you should tap on custom question and create your own if you don't like any on the list. So do that. Tap on confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Whatever you decided to do, after this part is done, you can hit on this button and use gray switcher next to app lock to activate it. Then use gray switchers next to your apps to lock them. Let's go with Amazon Shopping and Chrome. Now my switchers are blue, so when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that privacy password is required. If you wanna disable app lock from your apps, go back to the same settings, enter your privacy password and either use blue switchers here, or if you can't find your apps, tap on locked and see all of those with app lock enabled. Hit blue switchers to get rid of it, and even blue switcher next to app lock itself if you want to disable it on your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!